Hi, I'm Eleanor and I studied Business and Enterprise Management at Sheffield Hallam University. I'm currently on Diageo's supply chain graduate programme, and Diageo make iconic brands such as Smirnoff, Guinness and Tanqueray. I'm currently in my second year on the scheme and I'm a manufacturing excellence lead at the Guinness site in Runcorn. My role as a ManEx lead is to facilitate the continuous improvement on site, make sure we're sustaining a standardised approach to our manufacturing best practices. I'm currently working on a project in the keg plant, so looking at where we have increased beer waste and where we can improve in line with our KPIs and do any cost savings. I'm also part of the inclusion diversity team on site here at Runcorn, so making sure we have everything in place to be a more inclusive and diverse site and continuously improving to do so. I chose to study my course at Sheffield Hallam Uni because I wanted a course that would give me a good idea of business theory and a solid understanding of it, whilst also being able to relay that into practice. Hallam encouraged and had good links with local businesses and really encouraged us to do placement years, which was something that I really wanted to put me in a good stead for my future career. I learnt a lot of transferable skills on my course, so I use these daily in my current role, things like root cause problem solving, coaching conversations and data analysis for business decisions and to make improvements. In September I'll move into my final year on the programme and I'm going into a plan and logistics excellence role up in Edinburgh Park in the headquarters. I'm really looking forward to this because I can use all my knowledge from logistics in my first year and my understanding of excellence on site to make some good improvements.